Hi, this is Vince Curie. I had a little problem last night with my brother in Novus 2800D. The auto threader stopped working. I was doing a Walt Disney compilation with all the characters, and it required 47 thread changes. So during this process, the whole mechanism broke off. So I put it back together. You just have to know how it goes. Now, facing the auto threader, this is the view you get. Your thread goes into here, then you pull it through. On my machine it's number 7, and then you clip it with the cutter, and then it's ready to put the lever down. So the thread goes right into that position. So now you also see right here a long pin with sort of a ball or a nobule on the end. That nobule goes into a recess in the auto threader mechanism that stays with the machine. And here is that little nobule I was telling you about, which is a chrome pin with a nobule. The nobule goes into a detent in here, right up in here. You see, if I move this, I want to move the deal up and down. Alright, you could see where that pin with the knob on the top, that goes right into this groove here. It actually rides back and forth into this thing in its travel. In its travel. So now I'm gonna put that in. Let me put that on. Put this off for a minute. All right, I held the auto threader down with the paper clip in that groove. So now let me put that. Let's see here. See if I can set up my camera without dropping it here somehow. Here's the pin here. Let's see if I could put that part on. Alright, the pin, I see the way the pin goes. The problem is just aligning the plastic with the metal and the shaft all together, and then pushing it up, and then the cross bar goes into the hole. And now I got to take out that clip. Got to align the metal on the bottom. Alright, this one up, this one up. Let me check on my mirror. Okay. Oh. Alright. Alright, you see the pin in the mirror. I'm not even looking at the mirror. Look. I'm getting blinded by the light. Alright, that's it right up there. Right there, right in the middle of the camera. The shaft is through the bottom, that U-shaped chrome thing. The pin in the center of the screen is up into that shaft. Up into that shaft. Let me get this. I'll turn this around, this around, this around, this around. Alright, here's where the thread goes. Number 6 goes behind here, and it comes here, and it goes in there. And then this. See, I can't put the foot down right now because the machine's not on it. The machine is unhooked. Please touch this play. Let's see how close I can get. Alright, now this thing, of course, it'd be smart every so often to just check that with your hand, you know. And I could, I don't think I have thread. No, I didn't take the thread. Okay, I got the thread. See the red thread? Right. Red thread is through 6. It's behind the bar. Comes across. It's in here. Went in 7. I cut it, and then how's that? Okay, do I know what I'm doing or what? Okay, so on that note, gotta remember every so often this has to be up every so often. You know, just give it a little touch. Okay, folks, crisis is over. This machine I'm working on is similar to a lot of other machines. This is the Innovis 2800D. I had a Brother PE77, the embroidery only machine. This is a sewing and embroidery. Here's the sewing area, table rather. And then right now I'm using it for embroidery. So I got to put the embroidery arm on there, which is laying over here. Okay. I get my machines from Mr. Vac and Mrs. Sew, Joe and Lisa, and there's the website there. You spell out and Mr. Vac and Mrs. Sew.com, and I get all my new machines. Of course, these. They weren't around back then. That's 1923 you're looking at. Behind it is a 1940 beautiful Model 66s. These I recommend. These have an 8.5 inch from center to here. And very nice. This is an excellent machine too. Genome 8077. Look at all the nice stitches this will give you. Alright, here's my FX1 camera. It's a nice size camera. Compared to my hand, you can see it's a nice size camera. And this is a Singer Professional 5, the model 14T 968 DC, and this is Genome Memory Craft 6500, and that comes with a nice big table there for doing quilts and stuff. Okay, there's my cutting and layout table over here. It's a hobby, you know. It's a hobby. I'll tell you, it could be a cheap hobby. You know, it could be an expensive hobby. Like you could just buy one of these things, you know. And here I'm just doing a demonstration of the Daisy. Vince Curie, thank you for watching.